We don't have much material here that we can stretch this finger out, so we're gonna have to work with it the way that it is. And I will show you how I'm going to do this. It doesn't seem like that there should be all this finger here, so I probably did something wrong. But we want this part to stay down really good. So I'm gonna just kind of go in between these two and squeegee this down a little bit to help that to start to stick down in here, as well as we're gonna lift this edge up a tiny bit and get some tack in here, and then lay that back down and we can squeegee this out. But we don't want this squeegeed over too far because we want to be able to work this finger out. Same with this one here. All right, we're going to start by working this one out, and then we'll come down to this one. So what we need to do here, because this is such a big finger in this area, is we want to lift this whole area back, make sure that nothing is stuck down along this whole edge. We want as much edge as we can get in order to break this finger up. And so I threw some tack in there, and then we're going to just start working our way to this edge. You don't want to push any of the edge down though. You want to take this finger all the way over to that edge so that you break it up into different spots. And that's going to help us be able to get this down. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and put some more tack in here. And like I said, we'll try stretching things a little different on the other side and see if that is beneficial. Now I'm turning the squeegee over and I'm holding it when I go over this edge. So I go over the edge and then I hold. And then this area of the squeegee, not the very tip, but this area is holding right on that edge to keep the finger down. Because the other thing you should definitely know about paint protection film, if you don't already, is that if I just take this squeegee in an area that isn't fully cured yet and I hold this, push and put some pressure on here, it's going to leave a line in the adhesive that's going to stay there. And so we want to be really careful about that. Okay, let's get some tack solution up in there. This is a good sized finger, but I don't really see a problem being able to get this down. So we'll go ahead and start squeegeeing this down. Might even pull up some of this over here so we've got a bigger area to take this finger out. Maybe even take it back this direction a little bit more so we get some of this finger all the way over to the corner there. Okay, great. Now that that's basically almost all the way down, we'll go ahead and get some more tack solution in here and we'll go ahead and push this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go over that edge and then I'm gonna hold right at that edge, and actually it's kind of hard to do because I keep just running into that black plastic. So I'm going to squeegee all this out, and then we'll go ahead and take this towel here and dry this edge off. That'll really help convince things to just stay stuck down right now. Terrific.